This is the picture we're talking about. That consists of, see, hundreds and hundreds of those little sort of they call them diamonds, different color. I give a credit to my daughter. She's so patient, that's beyond the fucking joke. Okay, so that's the picture that we need to frame. So the sides are done. The underneath has to be done. Cut it out, but then I got dragged to the side project. This is where they watch their blood sausages on the bloody TV, and obviously this is too far away for the coffee to hold on a bit of a plate. This is Mrs. Spot, this is daughter's spot. My spot is behind that flowers over there. So instead of having this little thing, I'm making a little table. Let me show you. That's how that gets done. You get drag. I had a bit of a, that's that table upside down. So that was yesterday's work. So what I'll do, and then again you gotta be dragged down. These are the dowel helpers which I just made on a lathe, not just yesterday. And this is a dowel which will be used to connect these suckers here. So that'll be done before my framing gets done. These are all the sides for the framing. Okay, there's a little bit too many of them, but nevertheless that'll do. And this is a backing. So let me finish table first, then I'll get back to you with the frames. Here we go, next step in making of frame. These are just some sides of the frames, and I still have 4 more. Okay, so let's get into it best we can. Noise alert. That's a profile of it. Obviously here on the end didn't get it quite. Actually I need to run it one more time, because this one was run from two sides. And this one was run from two sides, from this side and from this side. And this one looks like it's run from one side. Just a look. Yep. Let's do it one more time. Worst part of every woodworking job is sanding. So what I'll do next, I'll just cut the groove for the what's the name, to seat the backing, and then I'll start sanding and putting shit together. So yeah. Oh God. Wasn't filming making these suckers. That's the profile of the actual frame side. Now this needs to be sanded down. And also, while we are here, because one job takes another job, look at the table. Look at the table. Table hasn't been glued. Top hasn't been glued to the bottom. That needs to happen. Has to be nicely centralized to the thing. And it is. Top has been sanded down. Bottom hasn't. And I'm running out of time. 4:15. Rain has shoved me in. That's not an issue. What I was going to say. Yeah, question is, should I finish that off or should I not? Would be nice to. Would be nice to finish that off altogether. We'll see. It's almost dinner time, and we'll go from there. Tomorrow is the last day, and then I have to go back to bush. So yeah, these are the questions. So this is the backing. That white board is a backing, and I need to chop that to the desired size, and then I have to put this frame together. We'll see. Maybe we'll continue tonight, maybe not. We'll see. Shop has been closed for another 2 weeks. Everything is stuck together neatly, nicely and gently, and it's waiting, eagerly waiting my return. I didn't finish the frame, but I will finish it next time when I come about. Next Friday, 15 days from now, we'll come and finish that frame and finish that little table, and Bob's will be our uncle. Night has fallen. It is what? 8:20. It looks like rain. All is good. My dear people, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.